Did you know that Samsung's foldable phones have a hinge that can withstand over 200,000 folds? That's like opening and closing your phone more than 100 times a day for 5 years. 1. Introduction: Samsung's foldable journey reaches a new chapter. Samsung has been the undisputed leader in the foldable smartphone space for years, and with the launch of the Samsung FOLDABLE Phone 8, the brand once again signals its commitment to shaping the future of mobile technology. Foldables are no longer experimental gadgets reserved for early adopters, they are fast becoming premium mainstream devices. The foldable Phone 8 arrives at a time when consumers expect refinement, durability, and meaningful upgrades rather than flashy concepts. This review dives deep into everything the Samsung foldable Phone 8 offers, from design and display to performance, cameras, battery life, and real-world usability. 2. Design evolution: slimmer, lighter, and more confident. Samsung has refined the design of its foldable lineup with each generation, and the foldable Phone 8 feels like the most mature version yet. The phone features a sleeker profile, reduced hinge bulk, and improved weight distribution, making it noticeably more comfortable to hold both folded and unfolded. The flat edges and premium matte glass finish give it a sophisticated flagship look, while the armor aluminum frame enhances durability. When folded, the device feels like a solid conventional smartphone, and when unfolded, it transforms into a compact tablet that feels purpose-built rather than fragile. 3. Hinge mechanism: stronger and smoother than ever. One of the biggest talking points of any foldable phone is the hinge, and Samsung has clearly invested heavily in perfecting it for the foldable Phone 8. The updated hinge design allows the device to fold completely flat with minimal visible gap, improving both aesthetics and pocketability. Opening and closing the phone feels smooth and reassuring, with no creaks or wobble. Samsung also claims enhanced resistance against dust and long-term wear, addressing one of the major concerns users have had with earlier foldable models. 4. Build quality and durability: a foldable you can trust. Durability has always been a question mark for foldables, but the Samsung foldable Phone 8 takes a confident step forward. The device features upgraded ultra-thin glass on the inner display, reinforced layers beneath the screen, and improved water resistance. While it's still not meant to be abused like a rugged phone, the foldable Phone 8 feels far less delicate than early-generation foldables. Samsung's attention to long-term reliability makes this device more appealing to everyday users rather than just tech enthusiasts. 5. Covered display: more useful than ever. The outer cover display of the Samsung foldable Phone 8 is no longer an afterthought. It's wider, brighter, and more responsive, making it practical for quick tasks like messaging, browsing, navigation, and even casual gaming. The improved aspect ratio allows apps to scale better, reducing the cramped feeling seen in earlier foldable models. With high refresh rate support and excellent brightness, the cover display feels like a true secondary screen rather than a compromise. 6. Main foldable display: a visual powerhouse. Unfolding the Samsung foldable Phone 8 reveals its true strength: the large, immersive inner display. The AMOLED panel delivers stunning colors, deep blacks, and impressive peak brightness, making it ideal for content consumption, multitasking, and productivity. The crease at the center is still present but far less noticeable during daily use, especially when watching videos or scrolling. Samsung's display expertise is on full display here, creating one of the best foldable screens available on the market today. 7. Multimedia experience: entertainment redefined. The foldable Phone 8 is built for entertainment lovers. Watching movies, streaming shows, or scrolling through social media feels more immersive thanks to the expansive inner screen. Stereo speakers deliver loud, clear audio with good bass, complementing the visual experience. Whether you're watching content in landscape mode or multitasking with split-screen apps, the phone excels as a portable entertainment hub that can replace both a phone and a small tablet. 8. Performance and processor: flagship power unleashed. Under the hood, the Samsung foldable Phone 8 packs a top-tier flagship processor paired with ample RAM and fast internal storage. Everyday performance is smooth and responsive, whether you're switching between apps, editing photos, or running demanding tasks. The phone handles heavy multitasking with ease, making full use of its large display. Gaming performance is also impressive, with stable frame rates and effective thermal management ensuring consistent gameplay sessions. 9. Software experience: One UI optimized for foldables. Samsung's One UI has evolved significantly to support foldable devices, and the foldable Phone 8 benefits from years of optimization. Features like multi-window mode, app continuity, and floating windows make excellent use of the large display. Apps transition seamlessly from the cover screen to the inner display, preserving layouts and progress. Samsung software tweaks make the foldable form factor feel intuitive rather than awkward, bridging the gap between smartphone and tablet experiences. 10. Multitasking capabilities, productivity on the go. Multitasking is where the Samsung Foldable Phone 8 truly shines. Users can run multiple apps side by side, drag and drop content between windows, and use split-screen views for work and entertainment. Whether you're attending video calls, browsing the web, or editing documents, the Foldable Phone 8 transforms into a powerful productivity tool. It's especially appealing for professionals who want a versatile device without carrying multiple gadgets. 11. Camera setup, flagship-level versatility. Samsung equips the Foldable Phone 8 with a versatile camera system designed to compete with traditional flagship phones. The main camera captures sharp, detailed photos with excellent dynamic range, while the ultra-wide lens is great for landscapes and group shots. The telephoto lens adds flexibility for zoom photography. Samsung's image processing ensures consistent results across lighting conditions, making the Foldable Phone 8 a reliable camera companion. 12. Camera performance in real life. In everyday use, the Foldable Phone 8 delivers dependable camera performance. Daylight photos look vibrant and crisp, while low-light shots benefit from improved night processing. The large display also makes framing and editing photos a joy. The ability to use the main cameras for selfies by leveraging the cover display is a unique advantage, resulting in higher quality self-portraits compared to standard front cameras. 13. Video recording capabilities. Video recording on the Samsung Foldable Phone 8 is impressive, with support for high-resolution formats and advanced stabilization. Videos appear smooth, detailed, and color-accurate, making the phone suitable for content creators and vloggers. The foldable design allows for creative shooting angles, hands-free recording, and unique perspectives that traditional smartphones can't easily replicate. 14. Battery life, balancing power and efficiency. Battery life is always a challenge for foldable phones due to their large displays, but the Samsung Foldable Phone 8 strikes a respectable balance. The dual-cell battery system provides enough power to last a full day with moderate use. Heavy multitasking and extended screen-on time may require a top-up, but improved power optimization helps manage consumption effectively. Fast charging support ensures minimal downtime when you do need to recharge. 15. Charging and connectivity features. The Foldable Phone 8 supports fast wired charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging, adding convenience to everyday use. Connectivity options include 5G support, Wi-Fi enhancements, and reliable Bluetooth performance. Samsung continues to deliver a complete flagship experience when it comes to connectivity and charging standards. 16. Security and biometrics. Samsung integrates reliable biometric security features into the Foldable Phone 8, including a fast and accurate fingerprint scanner. Facial recognition is also available for quick unlocking. These features ensure user data remains secure while maintaining ease of access, a crucial balance for premium devices. 17. User experience and everyday practicality. Living with the Samsung Foldable Phone 8 feels more natural than ever. The improved design, refined software, and durable build make it easier to adopt foldable technology as a daily driver. From quick tasks on the cover display to immersive sessions on the inner screen, the device adapts seamlessly to different usage scenarios. 18. Price and market positioning. As expected, the Samsung Foldable Phone 8 sits firmly in the premium price segment. However, considering the innovation, build quality, and versatility it offers, the pricing feels more justified than earlier foldable generations. Samsung positions this device as a luxury flagship aimed at users who want cutting-edge technology and are willing to invest in it. 19. Competition and alternatives. The foldable smartphone market is becoming increasingly competitive, but Samsung still holds a strong advantage due to its experience and ecosystem. While rivals offer compelling alternatives, the Foldable Phone 8 stands out with its refined hardware, polished software, and reliable after-sales support. For many users, it remains the benchmark for book-style foldable phones. 20. Who should buy the Samsung Foldable Phone 8? The Samsung Foldable Phone 8 is ideal for tech enthusiasts, professionals, and multitaskers who want a device that does more than a standard smartphone. It's perfect for users who consume a lot of content, work on the go, or simply want a futuristic device that feels practical and refined. 21. Final verdict: is the Samsung Foldable Phone 8 worth it? The Samsung Foldable Phone 8 represents one of the most polished foldable experiences to date. It successfully combines premium design, powerful performance, excellent displays, and thoughtful software optimization. While it comes at a premium price, it delivers value through versatility and innovation. For those ready to embrace the foldable future, the Samsung Foldable Phone 8 is one of the best options available right now. 22. Conclusion. In terms of user experience, the Foldable Phone 8 delivers. The interface is intuitive, and the device feels premium. When compared to flagship smartphones like the iPhone 13 or the Galaxy S21, the Foldable Phone 8 offers something unique. As for my personal experience with the Foldable Phone 8, I've been using it for a few weeks now. One standout moment was when I used it to watch a movie on a long flight. The large screen made it feel like having a mini cinema in my hands. However, I did face some challenges with the device's size and weight. My final thoughts on the Samsung Foldable Phone 8 are that it's an innovative device. It scores high on display quality, camera capabilities, and multitasking. I give it a solid 4.5 out of 5. This device is perfect for those who want the latest tech and are willing to invest in it. If you're interested in more tech reviews or want to share your thoughts about the Foldable Phone 8, check out my other videos or leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this amazing device. For more tech content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.